Day 2, the energy is even higher. Crowds gathering outside, ready to enter. Follow me to check out the exhibition. Wait, still filming? Let's go! Lots of sensor vendors inside. Most attendees are industry experts. Intense, but very rewarding. Anyone we know? This one looks familiar. Many friends traveled far to see us. A wonderful day begins. Time to see what our team is up to. The stars are ready. Still deep in client discussions, dedicated as always. Hardworking horses are the best. Keep going.
See you next time!